How to restore recently deleted Instagram photos and stories. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Then you want to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Let's suppose you have mistakenly or accidentally deleted any post on your profile. For example, you want to edit it and mistakenly you have pressed delete. Now, how to recover it? Now what you want to do is tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your activity. So here in removed and archived content, you want to tap on recently deleted. You will find all the deleted posts and stories here. To recover it, you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on restore. Tap on restore again. That is simply how you can restore recently deleted Instagram photos and stories. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.